Some of you may not know that in this world there is a kind of bacteria that has killed a lot of people since a very long time ago. This bacteria causes a disease called melioidosis. Melioidosis bacteria survive in soils and water, and the infection happens when people exposed to contaminated soils and water by eating, by drinking, or by doing activity with soils and water. This disease is common in agricultural countries and usually happens with rice farmers living in countryside. You know, every year in northeast Thailand, approximately 2,000 Thai people were confirmed to have melioidosis, and about 40% of them will die. That means about 800 Thai people were killed every year by this disease. This death rate is quite high compared to other infectious diseases like tuberculosis or even COVID-19. So you may have a question that, can we stop this dangerous disease? If the answer is yes, how can we stop it? Well, in my thesis, I'm going to answer this question. I'm investigating the useful information for protecting the people from melioidosis and for reducing the death rate of this disease. I use the molecular technique to study two important things of melioidosis. First, I use a technique called whole genome sequencing to study the whole DNA of melioidosis bacteria to know how do these bacteria spread from an area to infect the people in another area. When we know the way how these bacteria spread to infect people, we may have a better way to stop the route of transmission. If no route of transmission, the infection will not happen and the disease will stop. Second, I use the molecular technique combined with various laboratory experiments to study what are the things that bacteria use to kill people. It is similar to the things that policemen do to arrest the terrorists. If the policemen know what are the weapons that terrorists use to terrorize, the policeman may have a better weapon to stop or to arrest the terrorists. For melioidosis, if you do not know what are the things that melioidosis bacteria use to kill you, you may not have the better strategy, the better way to stop the disease. This is a very useful information for doing research to stop the disease. That's all I have to say about my thesis. Thank you.